Welcome to Model Minds 3D. Today, we're diving into the amazing world of 3D printing. From prototyping to creating intricate designs, 3D printing has revolutionized how we bring ideas to life. In this video, we'll explain three of the most popular types of 3D printing technologies: FDM, fused deposition modeling, LCD resin printing, and SLS, selective laser sintering. Let's get started. At its core, 3D printing is a manufacturing process that builds objects layer by layer using different materials. It starts with a digital 3D model, which is sliced into thin layers. These layers are printed sequentially to create a physical object. Now, let's explore the three main types of 3D printing technologies. FDM, fused deposition. Modeling. First, we have FDM, fused deposition modeling, one of the most common and affordable 3D printing methods. It works by extruding a thermoplastic filament through a heated nozzle onto a build platform. The filament is deposited layer by layer to form the object. Key features of FDM. It uses materials like PLA, ABS, and PETG, which are durable and versatile. Great for prototyping, hobby projects, and functional parts. Affordable and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners. LCD resin printing. Photopolymerization. Next, we have LCD resin printing, which uses photopolymerization to create highly detailed prints. In this process, liquid resin is cured layer by layer using UV light from an LCD screen. Key features of LCD printing. Produces extremely detailed and smooth models, perfect for miniatures and jewelry. Uses materials like UV-sensitive resins, which come in various types, including flexible, rigid, and castable resins. Ideal for applications requiring precision, such as dental molds and prototypes. Resin printing can be messier, and post-processing is required to clean and cure the prints. SLS, selective laser. Sintering. Finally, we have SLS, selective laser sintering, a professional-grade technology often used in industrial applications. It works by using a laser to selectively fuse powdered materials, such as nylon, into solid layers. Key features of SLS printing. Does not require support structures since the powder itself acts as a support. Produces strong, functional parts with excellent durability. Commonly used for engineering prototypes, aerospace components, and medical devices. SLS printers are typically more expensive, but offer unmatched strength and design flexibility. Which 3D printing technology is right for you? Choosing the right 3D printing technology depends on your needs and budget. If you're a beginner or need affordable functional parts, go with FDM. If you need detailed and smooth designs for artistic or professional use, choose LCD resin printing. For industrial applications requiring strength and precision, SLS is your best bet. The world of 3D printing is constantly evolving, with innovations like metal printing, bioprinting, and large-scale construction. It's opening up endless possibilities for industries ranging from healthcare to aerospace. Thanks for watching Model Minds 3D. We hope you enjoyed learning about FDM, LCD resin printing, and SLS printing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting 3D educational content. See you in the next video. Fine teeth.